and its best hope for the future, by John F. Kennedy. A pleasant morning, everyone. This morning, we gather here today for a 3-day training of facilitators on digital citizenship and protection of children from online sexual exploitation, in which the Plan International, funded with the European Union, are partnered with us over 2 productive years. It was successfully implemented and continuing, give empowerment and protection to young people against OSEC and online violence. In which last February 19, we had a chance, a close-up meeting, remember? Close-up meeting with one of the representatives of European Union, which we had a room for results-orientated monitoring, fresh from the Spain, Dr. Beatriz Fernandez Carrillo. In line with this, let us embrace the high demand of high technology by advocating how to use social media platform in safety manner. Before we begin, let me remind you to be cautious by refraining or talking aloud during the other parts of the program. So put your cell phone on silent mode, and I encourage you to express your pleasure by uploading or by clapping. Okay, to formally start the program, I request everyone to please stand. Yes, let us stand. Let us bow down our heads and close our eyes and feel the presence of the Lord. For the invocation through overture, and please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Okay, you now be seated. At this point, may I call one of the employees, I think there are 2, in this hotel to discuss a short info for security briefing or the use of other amenities. May I call in Ma'am Marla and Sir Dingdong.
Good morning, everyone. Kami po yung in charge sa food and beverage menu and others. Ako si Marla Aruca, food and beverage, and then Sir Matthew isa lang yung mic. So ako na lang magsasalita. So yung for safety protocol namin, meron kami fire exit dito sa right and left. Direct-diretso lang po yan, then going down hanggang sa labas, yung pinaka-exit namin. And then meron din kami dito sa likod na fire exit. Kulba. Kakabahan ako. And then, dito naman sa likod namin, daanan namin dito is going down here, papunta sa kitchen, and then exit din sa likod. Meron kami extension doon na building, venue din na hanggang for venues na building namin extension. Then exit namin, dire-diretso lang din. Santo Niño, I think Santo Niño extension, the other side. Pwede din kayo dumaan doon kung mas malapit-lapit sa room nyo. Dito yung daanan namin na side. Going down sa FO namin, and then right kayo, dire-diretso lang din, exit. So marami kami dito ng fire exit na pwede yung daanan. And then, yung aming rooms naman, 51 rooms, I think 51 rooms. And then, meron kaming poolside, pwede kayong maligo. Pero ang open namin dyan is 2 p.m. until 9 p.m. lang. And then, yung iba, kung may tanong kayo, pwede na nyo naman kaming tanungin about food and venue. Or may problema kayo sa food, pwede kayo mag-complain sa amin para ma-change namin habang dito pa kayo. May tanong po. Sir Dong. So, si Sir Dong naman magsasalita. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. Ako si Dingdong Andover. Siguro nasabi na ni Marla lahat ng mga safety and protocol. Ang ating rooms, yung ating card natin, kailangan ingatan, di ba tayo na-charge. Ayun lang po. Yun lang, masabi nila. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Darla and Sir Dingdong. So, I think before I check the attendance, Ma'am Rochelle, let us show them the flow of the program. Ma'am Rochelle, before I start the checking of attendance, let us show the program, the flow of the program. So here is the day 1, session 1, intro of digital citizenship. Then session 2, alignment story. And then we have a lunch break. And then the session 3, the internet and social media landscape in the Philippines. The session 4, overview of the child online protection. Session 5, understanding digital culture. And the 3 C's. Session 6, drivers of online sexual exploitation and abuse. That is the day 1. And then the day 2, session 7, legal basis. Session 8, click, understanding and using documentary film. Session 9, discussion on experiential learning method or ELM. And then we have our lunch break, and then in the afternoon we have session 10, the guide, questions, learning inputs, and demo preparation. So let us, or we have an expectation for a demo preparation. And then we have a session 11, learning inputs and demo presentation. And then we have our day 3, And then after sa day 3, after sa closing program, mangulit na kita. But still, we have our session 11, the continuation of learning inputs and demo presentation. Session 12, internet slang and languages. Maaram kita yan na marami palang mga languages ang mga kabataan na hindi natin alam. And then section 13, handling disclosures, and also we have our lunch break. And then the afternoon, session 14 na lang, the re-entry planning and then presentation. Siguro madali na lang ito, and then mag-closing program, and then muli na kita. And that's it. Are you excited? Yes, I know you're excited. So that is the flow of our program. So now I have to acknowledge the participants of this 3-day training, and I am happy to check your attendance. We are here. Very lucky indeed that with us today, grace and witness our 3-day training. So here are the dignitaries. First and foremost, our looking, knowledgeable, and respectable project manager in Leyte, si Ma'am Maria Shela in Estabilio. Ma'am, good morning, Ma'am. Siya ang ating project manager sa Plan International. Good morning, Ma'am. And to our equally active and supportive Blooming Pragi, manganak na siguro siya next month, but still very busy gihap. Okay. And our community development facilitator, Ma'am Rochelle B. Maceda. Good morning, Ma'am. Here's Ma'am Rochelle. And to our facilitators from different department, good morning! Good morning! Okay, so later, ma-energize kita. Okay, so I will group you into, I think, 5. And then, so I think sa 5 group, may tayo 6 or 5 na members. Ako na lang ang pick up, and then the group 1 would stay here, the group 2, group 3, group 4, and then 5 na lang. And then all the facilitators kadto sa left side. So, mag-pick up ako dito sa mga names. Random ko na lang ito, ha? Para magkakilala ba kayo? Ako lang hindi masyado nakakuha sa inyo. I think magkakilala kayo kay taga Mayorga man na o taga MacArthur. Okay, so our group 1 would be Nila Tilio. We have Eva P. Cardose, Fe Tenebro. I see ate, sorry ate. Anong pangalan mo ate? Okay. Ikaw ang hindi ko alam, Ma'am Fe. Okay, sige. And then si Ma'am Ruth and si Ma'am Juliet Trebillo. Yes, Ma'am, the group 1. And then we also have Sir Mauro. Yes, dila ka na, sir. Group 1. And then the group 2, we have Janice Briones. Nasaan si Ma'am Janice? Waray pa. Sige mo ko na siguro to siya. Abot mamaya. Jean C. Ala. Waray pa. Rialyn Kadion. Waray pa din. Si Lizelle Lombre. Ay, Ma'am, group 2 ka, Ma'am. Si Lizelle. Tapos, the group 3, Group 3 would be Army Ann Malquesto. Is it correct? Okay. Ma'am, group 3, okay na ka dyan. Then, Nicolene C. Cabias. Okay. Sakto ra pud kaayo na nawod diha. Okay, next we have Diovilita Arpel. Okay. Next we have Reynalda Bacatan. Elvera Estribor. Hindi ka ma'am. Yes. 3. Group 3. And then we have 1, 2, 3. We have the group of 4. Ma'am Margie Caores. Ari ka ma'am, 4 ka. Then we have Christine No Beauty Hones. Ma'am Christine, nasaan si Ma'am Christine? Waray pa. Okay, next. Ronaldin C. Balios. Group of 4. Si Ma'am Rialyn M. Encina. Is it Encina? Sige ma'am. Adi ka ma'am ha, group 4 ka ma'am, after sa imong kuat. Okay, next we have Marilyn G. Ibanez. Nasaan si Ma'am Marilyn? Okay. Group 4 ka ma'am. Next we have group 4 ko na lang din si Ma'am Itliza or Gimalan. Erlisa, sorry. And then the group 5, we have Ariel Escobar. Sir Ariel, group 5, okay. Then we have Virgo Sandagan. Okay, sir. Si Jonathan, mga lalaki man iton. Okay, sorry, hindi ko na-spread out. Would you like to segregate from other groups? Or, okay, nakamalida? Okay. And then, si Jonathan Bricio. Ato ko na lang, sir. Sir, ato ko na lang kay nakakuan na ito. Group 5. Si Renato Rimandaman. Group 5 ka, sir. Then, we have Antonio Sia Jr. Okay. So, you can go to your perspective group. And then, after that, I will give you a meta cards, ma'am. Then, after getting the cards, yes.
Anong color, ma'am?
Ano na lang, ma'am? Sa group 1, ito ang green. Or you can give them 1 color each, ma'am, sa every group. 1 green, then 1 orange, 1 blue. Yes, each group, ma'am. And then after that, after getting your meta cards, one by one, you can introduce yourself with your name, of course, and your address, and also your designation. And you can also tell whatever your expectation for our 3-day training. Ano ba yung expectation nyo? You can, pwede kayo magbigay ng expectation. And then, kapag nandiyan na yung mga meta cards, yung mga expectation natin, pwede natin dito ilalagay, and then you can post it to the board, whiteboard, or what is that? Yes, you can also kung ano yung in-expect niyo sa resource speaker, sa venue, or sa food. And then after writing it, nakabay na sila ma'am? Pen, you can paste it to the whiteboard or the green board. Yes. Oo. Pwede na. Oo, yes ma'am. The facilitator, the venue, and the food. And then while gakuan na lang siguro gasulat yung iba, mag-grow na lang ako ma'am sa for introducing themselves, ma'am. Ma'am Rochelle, no? Sige. From, of course, sa group 1. Ano talaga ang very lucky talaga ang group 1. Kayo nasa front, kaya amo talaga ang mauna. Di ba? Nagpagwapa pa si Okay, I'll keep it dyan. You are free, ha? You are free to share your thoughts, your feelings. Kung ano man, na-violent na bang inyuhang kuan, mga kuan ida, you can share. Okay, so, pwede na natin i-paste and then we have 10 minutes, ma'am. We only have 10 minutes to introduce yourselves and your address and your designation. Para at the end sa ato na training, may nakita-kikitaon kung ano ba ang ating expectation. Kung nag-meet ba ang expectation natin kada usa. So, Ma'am Juliet, are you ready? Introduce them, Ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I am Juliet Agrilio, the school head of Union Elementary School. I live in Barangay Mabini, Mayorga, Leyte. I am Principal 4, and my expectations from this training is I will be well-versed on this policy for me to roll out or to impart knowledge to my fellow teachers and of course to the barangay people. Thank you.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Ma'am Juliet.
This momentous event, another momentous milestone in our lives as an educator, to Plan International Pilipinas, to the European Union, the LCPD, Ma'am Rochelle, Ma'am Sheila, and the staff, the technical working group, my co-participants. I am the school head of Ebony Fashion Elementary School and was informed through chat by Ma'am Rochelle about this event. My comrades from Ebony Fashion, ilaban ang tinig ng Bonifacio. Si Konsihal Antonio Shah at si Konsihal Remandaban, yung may-ari ng pinakamasarap na pagkain sa bakery niya. Pinakamalinis. I am glad to be a participant of this event because I can cascade to my parents, to my learners, to my teachers, and hopefully the learnings that I have gained here will not only be imparted to the community people, but also to where I live. I am from Poblacion Zone 2, Mayorga, Leyte, and been living there for 53 years because I'll be celebrating my 53rd birthday coming. Basta yan na ito. Gawin pa na akong lechonon. Kung ma-donate ka, I'm willing to accept any donation. Cash or in kind. So that my birthday will be bongacious. Courtesy of the Secretary of Onion, Barangay Onion. Acknowledging the Secretary of Onion. Kalitaw, ma-open na aga ating nga tanan, hinaot unta, nga aton mga himbaruan din ni madala na ka atong panimalay. At tughap ang mga, I acknowledge also the PNP personnel over there, the high school teachers also. Mabuhay tayong lahat! Let's have a happy and enjoyable experience at Hotel Alejandro.
Wow! May pa-cheer up talaga si Mama, no? So, para madali lang ang ating, getting to know each other, please kindly paste your expectation there so that you can only say with your name, your address, and your designation. Okay? Please, if you're done, please paste it on there. Next.
Po. Ay, kung kapag kagaya mo
Nice plan. Plan International.
Kalau sa mga pati, isurated character. Tapos, piliin ko na lang. Number 1, 2, 3, sunod. Kunin ang first to grade. Pinakaibawa mo first to grade. Top 1. Top 1 to grade. Sige. May nakita premyo. Ma'am Rochelle, do we have a prize? Okay. You help each other. By group, ini 8 points.
Ato nila mo.
O kindly put ano sa kanila tapon, ano group? Oh, like this. Bukan yung group 1. Bukan yung group 1. Para makita groupings. Group 2. Group, baliktad din. Okay. Group 1. Group 2. Group 3. Group 2. Group 1. Man. Balikin mo rin. Mapakibutan niyo yung group number. What time is it? Timekeeper. Done? Good. Group 3. Done? Zach, you are given 1 minute. List ka na team short, di ba ibaw? Nag-focus na itong tipangalitan. Awaray. Makasawa ka pala. Damon at mga nakapost sa Facebook.
Subject of investigation. Yung mga families na pinagdududahan na posibleng gumagawa nito. So, yun ang mga red flags. Kailangan, ito ay hindi exhaustive list. Marami ito. Marami siya. Kinuha ko lang yung kung saan. So, very alarming. Very alarming. Lalabas at lalabas siya. Bakit ayaw nila magkonsulta sa mga magulang? Kasi ang mga magulang ay they are not in the digital world. Kaya, understandable. Pag hindi kayo papasok sa digital environment, hindi nyo matutulungan ang mga kabataan nyo. At saan sila pupunta? Maghahanap sila ng mga taong nakakaintindi kung anong pinagdadaanan nila. So, ito yung lumabas sa research findings namin. Young people spend more time at saka yung relationship nila sa peers. They trust their friends and turn to them for advice. Ito ano, di ba? They are first to initiate and tell other children about online sex work. Yung mga kabataan mismo, sila ang nagsasabi, punta ka dito kung gusto mo magpariban ng hair, dito kay ano, sila nag-share na ng sinong contact. Pag hindi ka alam kung ano ang trends na yon, hindi ka kasama, wala yung sense of belonging para sa kanila. Okay? Number 1 ay peer influence, peer relationship and influence. Tandaan natin, ang opinion ng kanilang kaibigan matters more than their parents. And that's very, very alarming. Kung hindi natin ma-address yun. Ang pangalawa, ang family dynamics. ang family dynamics, ang lumabas doon ay sa research, earning money for the family needs are more important than anything else. Ito yung family welfare over child's welfare. Nasabihin ng mga magulang, kung hindi ka maghuhubad sa harap ng camera, wala kang kakainin mamaya. Kaya, ang mga magulang na ito, o yung mga nagpupush nito sa mga bata, pinapahalagahan nila ang kapakanan ng pamilya over sa kapakanan ng kanilang mga anak. Family welfare over child's welfare. Diba? Tapos, natutulak pa yung drugs, vices, were seen as reasons why parents let their children do sex work and why parents neglect their children. Kung may bisyo. Okay? Dito tayo sa social norms. Belief, naniniwala sila. Una, sa social norms, naniniwala sila that anything uploaded to the internet is geographically contained. Brainwash nila ang mga bata na pag kayo ay nag-share ng pornographic material, sinasabi nila, hindi naman yan makikita sa Mayorga, hindi naman makikita sa MacArthur, doon lang yan sa Amerika. Ganun ang kanilang pagkakasabi. Hindi nila alam na once content is online, wala na yan. Lahat na makakakita. Subalit, dun sa research na sinasabi namin, ang sabi ng mga kabataan, ang sabi sa kanila, ng kanilang mga magulang, o kanilang mga kakilala, na geographically contained lang yan. Sa Amerika lang yan, iikot. Wala ka namang kamag-anak sa Amerika. So, yun. Pangalawa, believe that without physical contact, there is no harm. Walang harm, walang panganib. Kasi hindi ka naman mabubuntis. Tandaan natin that the absence of physical contact does not remove it from its definition of abuse. Hindi na mawala sa definition ng abuse yan, kahit walang physical contact. With online work involving chat and with privacy provided by one-on-one video call, they believe there is anonymity. Akala nila, pag kasi magkausap sila, screen to screen, akala nila dalawa lang sila. Anonymity, may confidentiality daw. Kasi dalawa lang sila nag-uusap. Hindi nila alam, sa likod ng kanyang kausap, yun pala ay naka-remote distribution na. Marami palang tao, marami palang parokyano ang nanunood sa kanya. And then, attitudes, kasama-sama dyan. Diba, may anak kayo. Huwag kang sama-sama dyan kasi mosaik victim yan.
Very nice. Very static.